Hi, it's Renee, and I am back. Let me flip this over. I am back with the October layout for the National Stamping Month Memories in the Making Cut Above Kit. Available September 1st through 30th only while supplies last. So pick it up if you want it. Don't wait till the end of the month. There are several bundle options, and I go over those bundle options in a previous video, which I will link for you, and also in my blog post, which I will link for you. I'm using the calendar kit with stamps, so it's the kit that has everything. And what we're here today for is October, which is this one right here, which I'm really excited because I love this color combination, yellow and blue. So what we've got is we've got our background paper, Sweater Weather, which we live in Colorado, and normally we get our first measurable snow in right around Halloween. And there's a joke about you're from Colorado if you plan your Halloween costume around your coat, because it hardly ever fails that the poor kids, when they're out trick-or-treating, they're out in the cold. So Sweater Weather is perfect for October. So we have these strips, we have some die cuts, we have some stickers, we have several photo mats. This particular layout uses two 4x6 pictures. So we have two photo mats and two placeholders. Okay, so we will go ahead and get started. Glued that down. Let's look and see what we got here. Okay, so it looks like we need to put a strip down here. We need to put one of our die cuts at the edge of this photo mat, and then one of our die cuts along the long side of that photo mat. So let's go ahead and do our strip down here at the bottom first. And we tried to repair my tape gun so it's not as squeaky, but I can't guarantee you're not going to get a little squeak out of it every now and then. My husband helped me use my handy dandy powder, and we put that on some of the wheels. Why it's, the next time I put new tape in it, it may not squeak at all. I really don't know why that happens. If anybody else has this kind of a tape gun and they have that issue, let me know what you've done, if you found a permanent solution. Okay, so now we're ready to put our photo mats, our holders. So one of the photos is landscape and one is portrait. So let's go ahead and put those on. Again, I'm using this as a memory capturing calendar for next year. It's going to be in our kitchen, and then each month my husband and I are going to take pictures that go with that month. And then at the end of the year, we'll have a nice little collection of memories from the whole year. And then I will take these layouts off of the calendar and put them in a photo album. So I'm really looking forward to that. Okay. So what we want to do now is that needs to go there, and this one needs to go here. Now I kind of want to make sure that I have, especially on this one because it's so skinny, I'm going to use my tape method. And I think because this is white on white, let's flip this guy over, use our foamy side, so we have a little bit better idea of what we're doing here. And I'll make sure I'm in the frame so you can see what I'm doing. I am just butting this little guy up to the edge of the top of this photo mat. And I'm going to use, since it's so skinny, I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to hold my tape. Whoop, my tape just tore. Let me get rid of that little piece. Okay, so we will I'm having tape problems. We're going to get rid of this piece of tape. This piece of tape is evil. Evil, evil. Anybody else have a vision of Dana Carvey as the church lady just now? It's of the devil. Or wait, was that from Waterboy with Mama, of the devil? What did the church lady say? Isn't that special? That's what she said. So it must be, I'm thinking of Waterboy's mom. And she said everybody was of the devil. Football was of the devil, and girls, and well, she might have been right about that one, but Yeah, now it makes me want to watch that movie so we can watch about some quality H2O. Okay, so we're going to tape this other side, and as I've shown you before, you don't need to tape the entire strip. Just make sure you get each side so that it doesn't move on you before you get it taped down. And then just check it and make sure that you don't have any gaps. So we're good. So we're going to flip this back over and get everything back into frame so you can see what's going on. So that one's done. Now this one has a little bit more of an edge. So I think what I'll do on this one is I will put some glue there. And then I can glue it to the spot that's indicated on this other photo mat. And I think I may, nope, I'm not running out yet, but I'm getting close on this one. I will link for you where you can find this, but when you buy it, make sure you get the one that has the ball point and is not just the pen. And you'll know it's different because this part is larger. I have the pen and I just don't like it as much. I don't think it's as helpful. Okay, so this one has you putting it off to the side a little bit. So we will glue that down. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we will start with putting this down, and this one, it says on our instructions, it goes 1/2 inch from the edge and 3 3/4 up from the bottom. So I think what I'll do is do it this way, because my ruler is 1 inch thick, is 1 inch wide. This edge is 1/2 inch. So if I line this up straight with the edge of my Versamat, I know I'm 1/2 inch in. Then all I need to do is put this, it's going to need to be at 4 1/4 because I got to add 1/2 inch because of this area right here, and then I can adhere it. So let's go ahead, put some glue. Hopefully we won't be too darn squeaky. It's not as bad as it was. Still not perfect, but it's not as bad as it was. Okay, so 4 1/4 from the bottom to give us that. Or actually, you know what we could do, because we're so close to the side, we could look at 3 3/4 on the Versamat through this clear ruler. So there we go, 3 3/4, 1/2 inch over. So that looks really good. We didn't measure, we didn't mess up our sweater weather. And then this side is, again, I'm going to move it over a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. This one is 1/2 inch from that side, but this one is going to be 4 3/4 up from the side. So again, I'm going to line this up with the edge of my Versamat, put some glue on here, get my finger off there. Okay. And this one's going to be up from the bottom, 4 3/4. And again, since I can see through my ruler, I'm just going to go ahead and use my ruler for this. Or my Versamat for this. And there you go. Those two are on. And I think we're just about done, because all we have left are some little stickers. So let me pull myself back into frame for you. This one, I noticed that there's a little white sticker on here, which is really cute. So we're going to go ahead and put that little white sticker on there on our tab. So there's not too much journaling to do on this. Probably you could do a little bit right here, put some dates on here. Or again, you could use this for journaling and this for your photo. So just use it the way that you think it would be best for your need. Okay, then we're going to do a couple of hearts to decorate our sentiment here. There you go. And we have one little one left. I'm not sure where, up there I see it. Just need a little bit better light. And there we go. And that layout is complete. That is our October layout. If you have any questions, please leave them for me down below, or any comments at all. It's kind of funny talking to the camera, you know, and hoping that someone is going to be actually watching it at some point. And pretending that you're there. So there you go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if there was a little delay there. My phone decided to tell me it was low power, so time to plug in. I hope you all have a great day and talk to you later. Bye-bye.